Good morning on day 24. I'm still at the albergue, and this is my view from the terrace here. It's quite a special place. The bunk bed costs 20 euros, which is on the more expensive side, but it's definitely an experience. And here is the bull ring, the view of the town. The mountains in the back. It's quite a special place. Amazing. Here is the church that was visible from both the albergue and also yesterday when I was approaching the town. I'm gonna write the name down because this one is a real tongue twister for me. So yeah, it's peeking above the other buildings, so it's nicely visible from the distance when you are approaching. Yeah, here is the clock tower with the bell. It's hard to shoot it because I'm pretty close to it. And there are buildings all around. So hard to get a good view. And there is an arrow showing me where to go. Awesome. I was thinking I'm gonna have to figure it out myself, but luckily they did it for me. Not for long though. I'm gonna be staying on Camino Via de la Plata only for another like 55 kilometers or something like that. And then I'm gonna turn towards Portugal. So then I'm gonna be on my own with the navigational skills. Thank God for the smartphones. I believe this is the Donativo albergue. The other one, it's like a church or something. I know I'm going there, but I want to look at the map here. Oh, nice. It's pretty much flat today. Oh, that's 26 kilometers. I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way. We're gonna see. Awesome. I love the elevation profiles. Oh, Ruta Via de la Plata. And this is where I'm heading. I'm rocking the hood again. It's pretty cold. It's warming up, but today should probably be the lowest temperature of my whole journey yet, during the day of course. It should be only 13. Usually when the sun is out it reaches like 18 or something like that, sometimes 20, so 13 is pretty cold. My stay at the albergue was very productive when it comes to videos. I managed to upload one video that I already had edited, and it was for today, so I really needed to upload it. And I also edited 3 more videos and uploaded them as well. So yeah, that's awesome. Don't have to worry about it too much. This poor little doggy was running to me and asking for some cuddles. Yeah, go outside. There is a car going. Oh, he looked well fed, but he did have some blood on him, so I don't know if he got into a fight with another dog or something, or scratched himself. But he was so sweet. Like sometimes you can feel when the dogs are like protecting, or if they just want the contact. So this one was like squeaking and running towards me and asking for some scratches and cuddles. So yeah, but he let me go. He's not walking with me. He just wanted some attention. He could easily be like 40-50 kilograms heavy. Was a big one, but super sweet. So I just made it to another village, and there should be a bar open or something, so I'm probably gonna get a coffee and a little bit of a break. But it's beautiful. And again, the church being the tallest building, it's awesome. And the architecture changed a lot. In Andalusia, most of the villages and towns were white, and now there is a little bit more colors on the houses. Today is nice. Like finally I got a path that is nice to my feet. But other than that, it's rather uneventful. But overall it's pretty good. It's just a little bit boring, but I'm not complaining because I do like this path. And it's been like this for last 12.5 kilometers. I got only nice paths. Just a tiny little bit of pavement when I got to the village. But other than that, yeah, no rocks. Finally, after walking more than 500 kilometers, I got no rocks. My feet are grateful. They're saying hi. Yeah, there is like the road, and right next to it is a highway. But it's not that bad. I love those trees. They're awesome. And they are lining the path for the whole time. And I see something, and we all know what it means. It means it's break time. Oh my god, this is epic. Yes, please. Amazing. Oh, and look at that bridge. Wow. What a nice place. Let's see if the board is in English. I have no idea. Oh, it is, but I'm making a shadow, but I'm sure you can pause the video and read about it. And I'm gonna take a break because this is a rarity and I'm here for it. So I'm just sitting here on the sun and was looking where I'm gonna sleep tonight. And there is actually a municipal pilgrims hostel 13 kilometers from here, and it costs only €6. So I might go there. Like €6 is very cheap, and tonight should be pretty cold. So I'm not sure yet. When I find a spot before that, I might sleep there, but I think between now and when I get to the Portuguese Camino, there are not gonna be many albergues left to stay. It's only gonna be like hostels or something like that, because I'm not gonna be actually on a Camino. So I'm thinking about it. There is a heater and there is a washing machine, and I desperately need to wash my clothes. So for €6, I think that's a bargain. It's like I don't know what time it is, like 14:40 or something like that. Oh no, 14:33. So that puts me in a pretty good spot to get there, wash all my clothes for €6. I don't know if the laundry is for extra price, but either way, I really do need to wash my clothes. Like, it's dirty. It's dirty. It's dirty to a point where it's like stiff. It's not good. So I think that's my plan for today. There was no washing machine in the previous albergue, and it's been a while. Like, I don't even remember where I washed my pants, like my hiking pants. Of course, I'm washing my underwear regularly, but like this thing I didn't wash in a long time. So I think I'm gonna take advantage of that, because it also puts me in a good spot for tomorrow, so I don't have to stay in Cáceres, which is like a bigger town, and it's like historical, and it's more expensive there and everything, and it's gonna be like 11 something kilometers tomorrow to get there, so I can just walk in and walk out and camp somewhere. I think I'm gonna push the 13 kilometers and stay the night there and wash my clothes, and if there is a heater, it's gonna dry, because it's pretty fast drying, but you do need a heater to dry it. In the night is around 0, so if there is an albergue without the heater, it's pretty cold in those. So yeah, let's see how it goes, but I'm gonna push there, because €6 is really a bargain, and if there is a washing machine and heater, hell yes, I'm all for it. So I got some great news. The hostel is really there, like in 9 kilometers or something, and Juan was staying there 2 days ago. Yesterday, I don't know, yesterday he was already staying in Cáceres, so 2 days ago, and he stayed for free. But I don't think my language barrier will allow me to haggle. And you know, €6 if I can wash my clothes, hey, I'm paying it, it's fine. And also, Juan is staying in Cáceres until January the 2nd. Which means that tomorrow is a New Year's Eve. I'm gonna be meeting him up in Cáceres. I didn't change my mind yet, but I might dig a little bit deeper in my budget and stay there and celebrate the New Year's Eve with him there tomorrow. I'm gonna think about it. It's true that I was saying that after I'm gonna go towards Portugal, I'll probably won't be sleeping inside much, so I might as well stay tomorrow in Cáceres and have a nice New Year's Eve, but we will see. For now, I'm heading to that hostel in 9 kilometers or something like that, maybe 9.5. It will put me at 27.5, which is decent, and I feel good. Like last 4 days I was walking 25, 31, 25 and 25, and today 27, and I feel strong. But yeah, I'm definitely an evening warrior, so I much prefer to walk in the evening, but I'm limited by the daylight a lot right now. So yeah, but I think it's decent for the start. Definitely getting stronger every day. So I'm super proud of my body. That it's keeping up with me and my crazy ideas. And it gives me hope that I can really make this journey in 9 months. Of course, a lot of things can happen in 9 months. I am super aware. But as long as I don't get injured, I think I'm on a good start. And I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like today I only talk. And yeah, I'm gonna keep walking and probably tell you how it went with the accommodation when I get there. Look at this. This is super cool. This is an old airport of some sort. I don't think it's still being used, but this is quite cool. And it's directly on the Camino. This is the lane, or used to be the lane. Wow, and all these old buildings. Quite cool, isn't it? All the things you see. This is so cool. That airport reminded me of all the post-apocalyptic movies and TV shows, and I am a huge fan of those, so it's quite great. Oh, maybe there is some info about the airport because there is some kind of a sign. Let's see. Oh no, it's about some settlement from the Roman era. You can pause it and read. I thought it's gonna be something about the airport. That would be more interesting to me. Look at this amazing golden hour. You can already see the village that I'm heading to. Wow. That is stunning. My favorite time of the day, for sure. Isn't this dreamy? The kettle illuminated by the setting sun with the babies. Oh my god, that is stunning. Wauw. Wat is er zwierdavej? No? Oh, don't worry. I'll just go. Don't worry. I won't go to you. Hello. Oh my god, you're beautiful. Oh, don't worry. I'll just walk past. Hello. I need to watch my steps though. I don't need to step into the poop. Hello. Don't worry. I'll just pass through. Oh, these little ones there. Don't worry. I won't do anything to you. Beautiful. Oh, don't worry. I go to the side. Don't worry. I go away. Don't worry. I'm gone. I am gone. Protecting the babies. Here you can read something about the Via de la Plata route. So you can pause it and read. I'm almost there. And my right foot hurts for sure. The first half was amazing, but the second half was rocky again. And everyone who ever walked a couple of kilometers on these sharp rocks knows the pain. So yeah, I can't wait to just sit down and rest. So this is my house for tonight. But first I need to go collect the key at the local bar. And normally that would mean that I'm gonna have a beer. But I am carrying one on my back from the post-party stash at the last albergue. So I don't think I'm gonna have one. I'm just gonna go collect the key and go to sleep. Oh no, I still need to do a lot of things before I will actually go to sleep. But yeah. Oh wow, it's a pretty fountain. Quite a cool place here. So I made it to my albergue. Look at it. There's a bathroom, kitchen with a washing machine. I don't know if there's any detergent here, but I can probably do it without as well. Better than nothing, or probably there is, I don't know. I'm gonna take a look. Stove, microwave. Yeah. Is there something in the fridge? Nope, it's empty. There's another washing machine. Huh. Maybe this one has a dryer as well, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. This one is also disconnected, so I'm not gonna take a further look. And these are the bunk beds. Looks awesome. So yeah, this is where I'm staying tonight. I don't know if it's working. Or not. I don't feel it working yet, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna have to see. So that's it for the day. Is it 24? I keep forgetting. I think it's 23 or 24. You know it better than me as usual. So see you tomorrow.